If you buy the wrong laptop in 2026, you are going to regret it for the next 3 to 4 years. Because right now there are too many options and most people end up choosing the wrong one. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you exactly which laptop is perfect for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Prakhar, where you get real tech advice, no nonsense, बिना बकवास के. Today's video is a complete laptop buying guide for 2026 and after watching this, you won't make a wrong decision again.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप. बात तो सही है.
First step, before buying any laptop, ask yourself one simple question. What am I going to use this laptop for? Because let's be real, not every laptop is made for everyone. You could be a student, a gamer, an office user, or a content creator, and each category needs a completely different laptop. Now let's talk about the minimum specifications you should consider in 2026. Processor must be Intel Core Ultra or Intel Core. RAM should be 16 GB minimum and in 2026 8 GB is outdated now. Storage should be 512 GB SSD. Never go for HDD because also I have made an video of comparison on SSD versus HDD. If you want to know detailed explanation, you should consider that video. And display should be IPS or OLED and battery must be at least of 6 to 8 hours. If you go below this, you are already compromising your experience. So if you are a student, you don't need extreme performance. What you need is a lightweight laptop, good battery life, smooth daily uses. Things like online classes, assignments, basic editing should run easily. The simple formula is portable plus reliability is equal to perfect student laptop. If you are into gaming, there is where power matters. Minimum requirements are 16 GB RAM, 144 hard display. The best part about gaming laptops is they can do everything. Gaming, editing, streaming all in one.
खाओ माँ कसम.
For video editors or YouTubers, then performance plus display is everything. You need a powerful processor, dedicated GPU, OLED or color accurate display because in editing it's not just about speed, colors also matter. If your display is not accurate, your final video won't look right. For office users or business users, focus on battery life, lightweight design and comfortable keyboard. Here performance is important but comfort and reliability matters more. For coding or engineering, you need a strong CPU, 16 to 32 GB RAM, optional GPU, heavy softwares like AutoCAD or Android Studio should run smoothly. Best choice, a gaming laptop or a high performance ultrabook will be best for you guys.
अबे साले.
Now come to the most important part, mistakes. Choosing a laptop only based on i5 or i7, buying 8 GB RAM in 2026, going for HDD instead of SSD due to budget, ignoring display quality, no. And the biggest and the
अरे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो. तौबा तौबा तौबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
and the biggest mistake, choosing a laptop just because of the brand name. This is the worst. So my final advice is remember this golden rule. Always choose a laptop based on your uses, not the brand. If you understand this one thing, you will never regret your purchase. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Prakhar for more practical tech guides. Also comment down below which laptop are you planning to buy. I will personally help you choose the best one.